How to buy Metadrip token. So this token came under the symbol of drip. Now before starting, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token trending number 25 in this one section. To be able to buy this token, it is as simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund mind for that. Now click here also up and make sure that you have enough to land on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now hit type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on stop. And after that, you will be able to read access to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see, turn it off here and switch the slippage from here. As you can see, your customer, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy drip token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.